Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and choosing a license. This saves time during install. Once done, sign in or create a Microsoft account because activation ties to that account. Next, select subscription versus one-time purchase so you know whether you'll install the latest apps continuously or a fixed version. Make sure your payment method is ready for subscription checkout, and note the product key if you bought a retail copy. This prevents interruptions at the final step. You now download the installer from your Microsoft account portal or the Microsoft Store, using the license you picked. This ensures the correct package. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator and close resource-heavy apps to avoid install errors. During setup, choose full suite or custom install so you only get the apps you need and save space. Monitor progress and allow any required restarts. This helps finalize system integrations, like file associations, and start menu entries without corruption. You finish by activating Office with your Microsoft account so apps recognize the license and sync preferences across devices. Once activated, open any app, go to Account, and run update options to apply security and feature updates. Keeping Office current prevents compatibility problems. If things go wrong, try quick repair or online repair from programs and features. If activation fails, sign out and sign back in, because cached credentials often cause errors. This approach resolves most issues quickly and gets you productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.